Here you can see the supplied parts such as installation parts, filter, mains adapter, etc. First, the height of the table is measured. In this case, it's 72 centimeters. Then the height of the lower mounting holes are marked on the wall. That's the table height plus 2.5 centimeters. The height is assigned to both sides with a spirit level. The holes are marked with a gap of 34 centimeters. The lower holes are again marked upwards with the spirit level. These holes are also assigned from below with a gap of 34 centimeters. The holes are drilled 8 mm in normal brickwork. Suitable wall plugs and bolts are to be chosen for mounting. All 4 mounting bolts are screwed in up to 1 centimeter. The device is now suspended from the wall by the 4 elongated holes. The disinfectant bottle is removed from its slot and the device is opened with the key. Hold on to the device when swinging open. The mounting bolts are then firmly tightened. Close the device, lock it, and place the disinfectant bottle back in its slot. A suitable hose may need to be warmed up so that it can be attached to the hose nozzle. The hose is attached to the hose nozzle using the hose clip. The prepared hose is screwed onto the device and the respective length is marked. Cut off the hose at the marking. Attach a suitable rubber seal to the waste pipe and then put the hose in the pipe. Remove the lid from the drain. Mount the waste hose on the device and attach the waste pipe to the drain. Then seal the inlet connection by the filter with Teflon tape. And unscrew the yellow stop lever. When doing so, align the lever so that it can be turned from the front. Attach the support bracket with the long arm to the filter. Screw a suitable hose to the entrance of the filter and provisionally attach it to the corner valve so that the mounting holes of the filter can be marked. Drill the holes, preferentially to 8 mm, and attach the filter with a suitable fastening material. Tightly screw the hose to the corner valve. Seal the supplied metal hose to the thread with Teflon tape and unscrew at the exit of the filter. For potential extension, please use a suitable hose. Now place the Herrmann in its planned position. The supplied plastic hose is trimmed for the water connection between the Herrmann and the Colon Hydromat, one for cold water and one for hot water. For the installation of the plugs, first a hose clip is pulled over the hose, then an angle plug is mounted on one side and a straight plug on the other. The hoses are then plugged into the Herrmann with the angle plugs. Please always press in the locking mechanism first. And the inlet hose is screwed onto the top connection. Now plug the straight plugs into the hoses on the Colon Hydromat. Take care not to mix up cold and hot water. Plug the mains adapter to the Colon Hydromat and then connect to the power supply. Remove the safety sticker and check that the knob is set to 0. Before the Herrmann mains plug is plugged in, check that the green main switch is switched off. Now turn open the corner valve and open the yellow stop lever on the filter. Switch on the Herrmann and Colon Hydromat. Set the cleaning lever to on, the stop lever to empty, and the thermostat to very hot by pressing the black button. Now the Herrmann must run until water flow can be seen in the pipes. Now set the thermostat to very cold. Once there is continuous water flow, set the thermostat to 38 degrees and the cleaning lever to off. Only now set the knob and the Herrmann to the red marking. When the red warning light next to the knob goes out, the Herrmann is completely heated up. Only pull off the jet coupling from the side and connect to the holder. Connect a thin hose from a speculum set with one side of the handling connection and push the other side through the jet coupling into the sight pipes. Now completely turn open the water flow controller. Pull the cap of the pressure regulator downwards to unlock. Set the water pressure to approximately 200 millibar and push the cap back up. Turn the water flow down to 50 millibar on the water flow controller. Pull off the locking cap from the thermostat. Use the Allen key to loosen the bolt situated below it and pull off the button. Position the knob with a size 19 open spanner or with pliers and set the temperature to 38 degrees with the Allen key. Refit the thermostat and connect the locking cap. Close the water flow controller. Pull the hose from the handling connection and out of the sight pipe. Remove the jet coupling from the holder and refit it. Now position the table in the direction of the device using the stilt. The device is now completely mounted and adjusted.